Today we're going to work on inserting an image into text. Previously we've added text to an image. This time we want to make this image of baseballs appear inside the word baseball. So what we're going to do is go open the baseball picture first. Well, the reason we want to open this first is because when we create our new image we want it to fit perfectly. So when we go, if we look up here, it's 1000 by 667 for our size. So if we go File, New, it wants to create another blank image at the same exact size as your image you're going to insert into the word. So hit OK, and now I have a large image, and I'm going to take my text tool and I'm going to make it nice and big and write the word baseball. And it usually works better if you use all capitals, and I'm going to make my font as large as I can, and it also is helpful to use one of the bold fonts. So I'll make this a little bit smaller here, and then we'll make a bold font. We'll make sure it's a pretty good one because it's got a lot of thick letters, and we'll change our font so it fits and fills almost all of our screen here, and we'll hit close. So now we've got our letters. What we need to do now then is go back to our original image. We want to go Control A, Control C to copy it. Go back to this image, and we want to use our magic wand, or also known as the fuzzy select tool, and we want to click on each letter. So I click the first letter, I click the B here, and then I hold down the Shift key and choose the remaining letters. Now I need to go up here and go into Edit, and you need to choose Paste Into rather than just Paste. And now you can see the baseballs actually fill out the word. Sometimes what works well is if you use your paint bucket and start with a black background first, because the white would show up better here. But that's not necessary at this point. I think we have a good, just make sure you save it as a JPEG file, and you have now inserted images into text.